How to share someone else's status on WhatsApp. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application and then open your status. Right in front of the status, you see these three dots. You need to click on them. Then you have to click on share. And from here, you can select any of your contact numbers to whom you want to send it. If no one is listed here, then you'll go to WhatsApp. All your contacts will be available here. You can share your status with any of them. Now, if you're wondering whether you can share someone else's status, let me tell you that officially WhatsApp does not allow you to share someone else's status. But for that, let me tell you what you need to do. You have to open the status of the person whose status you want to share. Here, I'm taking a screenshot of the status. Now let me show you, look here. You just need to take a screenshot of their status. After taking the screenshot, you need to edit it. Once you've edited it, you see that the screenshot is now here. After carefully editing, you can easily share that captured screenshot with the intended person. There's no official way to do this, so you can only share the screenshot. Here, I'll show you how to share the status screenshot. Just click on this camera icon here in the images section. To proceed with the next step in this process, you will need to direct your attention to the designated area on the screen. Specifically, locate the interactive element that is clearly marked and designed for user interaction. This particular element, which we refer to as here for simplicity, serves as a crucial gateway to the subsequent stage of our operation. By initiating a click action on this precise point, you will trigger the necessary function or transition that advances you further. This action is fundamental to unlocking the next set of options or information, ensuring a smooth and logical progression through the interface. Therefore, carefully position your cursor over this highlighted or indicated region and then execute a single deliberate click to continue. This will seamlessly guide you to the next phase, allowing you to access additional features or complete the current task.